Hi, this is Nikki Golly with your plant edition for the month of September. We've talked a lot about plastics this month, and I wanted to bring this tower garden into it. So many people ask me about plastic. Is it plastic? Yes. The truth is, it is plastic, which makes it light, makes it fit together very easily, and makes it very easy to carry if you ever need to. But it is plastic. Very unlike the single-use plastics, though, it is reusable multiple times. I've had this thing for 6 years. It's guaranteed for at least 10, if not 20. And it does not leach any chemicals into the plants, which then get into our bodies. So it's not going to leach any chemicals. It is a reusable plastic, and I think it does a pretty darn good job. It makes me look like I know what I'm doing when it comes to plants while I'm killing houseplants, because I really don't know what I'm doing. But this is your plant edition for the month of September. I hope you're growing plants. I gave you a month in advance. If you are in the desert Southwest area, let me know. Are you growing something? Send me an email. I'd love to hear about it. Keep growing and keep being healthy and happy.